Guys, this is my 96 Isuzu Rodeo. This is a follow-up video on those Amazon brake parts I ordered for it. I ordered the two front rotors and the brake pads to go with them. I know it's a couple of days later. I know it's been a little while, but I finally got them installed and put together, and wanted to give you guys a follow-up. You can kind of see them through there. The brake rotors work good. They fit good. The brake pads fit good. No further issues with it. It stops good. Drives good. Parts fit great. I didn't have to alter anything. I didn't have to do anything to them. I definitely recommend you buying parts from Amazon. And they even have a spot where you can make sure that they fit your particular car. So just go on and check them out, guys. Good place to get good parts from if you're willing to wait on them to be sent to you. What can it hurt, you know? Save you a little money, maybe even a little bit of time. Go check them out, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.